Hi, Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher from Michigan. Welcome to my channel. We're trying to help kids fall in love with reading. Every year, our school, thank you school, provides us with $250 at the district level. So every kindergarten through 5th grade teacher, young 5 through 5th grade teacher gets $250 to spend on their classroom library. Since I have a pretty good classroom library, often wait until about 2/3 into the school year to spend my money to kind of see what we need to get us through to the end of the year. So I'm going to be sharing with you the books that I purchased for the class, and these will be going into the classroom library in the next day or so. First up, I bought these books. So most of the books in the class I know, but sometimes I like to just try something new, something I don't know. And these are called Trapped in a Video Game, and it's a 5-book series, and it looked really fun. So these are some fantasy chapter books about a kid being trapped in a video game, and I have some kids who I think are going to be bonkers for these titles. All right, I needed a new copy of The War That Saved My Life. How did I find out? Because I was trying to book talk it to a kid, because me and another kid were talking about how awesome it is, one of the best historical fiction books ever, and the kid was like really interested in it, and we couldn't find it. So ordered a new copy of that. It's a new cover. Isn't that neat? Same situation here. Kids were looking for it, needing it, sent them down to the library. They read it, then everybody wanted to read it. So we just bought another copy because our old copy of Rain by Anne Martin kind of had fallen apart and we were out of it. So replacements of some beloved books. Next up, 96 facts. I saw this one first, let's be real. I saw 96 facts about Taylor Swift, and then I thought maybe 96 facts about Selena Gomez would also be fun. I showed the kids this. There's a very long line of kids who want to read about Taylor Swift, 96 facts. All of these books that I purchased here were through Bookalicious, which I'll put a link to Bookalicious books in the bio or in the description of this video. I have an affiliate code if you're interested in purchasing these or any books from them. It's just Colby Sharp at checkout. It's a really great site. And if you use my affiliate code, Colby Sharp, you'll receive 20% off your purchase. So if you I spent $298 and I got them for $250 or around there somewhere. I had $250 to spend. So I got about $300 worth of books. So yay. Colby Sharp at checkout. Next up, I have a reader who's absolutely obsessed with these books, and he convinced me to read this one, Spy School. So I got the first 2 books in the series. Like, he is obsessed. He's read all of them, and he is like a book talking machine. So I figured we got to have these in the classroom because he's going to get other kids to read them. And if other kids do read them, then I'll get the other books in the Spy School series. I just buy this every year. Whether I need it or not, I just buy this every year. You need these Raina books. They fall apart. The kids read them like bonkers. They disappear, so we had to get them. This is becoming a more popular series in the class, Emmy and Friends, and this is the one that we were missing. The kids keep telling me that, so we had to pick up a new copy of Truly Tyler. These Nat books, there's 6, right? And these are 5, because I only have 1. So I needed the other 5. And I think that the kids who like this are really going to like these books. So I got these. I think they're going to really like them. So you're going to say, man, there's a lot of graphic novels. Yep, they're reading a lot of graphic novels. So we got a lot more graphic novels. And then I got some picture books. I've been seeing some people talk about this one, and I think it just looks beautiful. So I got this. Oh, yeah, this looked awesome. And my friend Phil Bildner just published this, so I've been seeing him talk about it. And it's baseball season, so that would be an awesome book to have in the classroom. Excited to read that. We've been learning a lot about the 3 branches of government, so, big Supreme Court case books I've been looking for. So I got this one, When the School Shut Down. Isn't it beautiful? Looks beautiful. And then this one just won a bunch of awards, you can see there. And we didn't have a copy in the classroom, so there was a party for Langston Hughes. We needed this book in our classroom, so now we have it. So those are the books that I was able to purchase with $250 from my school. I still have some grant money. I still have about $400 left to spend this school year to purchase some books for my classroom. So hopefully we'll find some more books that we need and that we want, and we can continue to help kids find the books that are going to help them to fall madly in love with reading. So hope you found something great to add to your to-read list. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, liking this video. It means the world to me. My name is Colby Sharp. Hope you have an awesome-tastic